With the delivery of the American Himars systems, the Ukrainian forces received the kind of weapons they need to deliver precise and long strikes in the background of the Russian aggressors. Ukrainian authorities are saying that the Himars are shredding Russian troop positions and logistics hubs with little resistance, sowing terror among the occupying forces. Luhansk Governor Serhiy Haidai said the invaders are in panic mode as the long-range guided heavy artillery picks off high-value targets and degrades Russia's fighting abilities, while Ukraine plans counterattacks. As the whole world has seen over the past week or so, we have been able to inflict massive damage to their missile defense systems and ammunition storage facilities deep behind the enemy lines, Haidai explained. This, he said, was largely down to the variety of weapons we have recently received from the West. And when we have sufficient amounts of such weaponry, we will be able to carry out further counterattacks. NATO nations, led by the US, have been flooding arms into Ukraine since Russia's latest invasion began on February 24. Heavy long-range artillery has long been at the top of the Ukrainian shopping list, and now American, French, and Polish guns in particular are making their mark on Donbas pockmarked battlefields. The Himars have been especially potent. The systems and guided munitions sent to Ukraine have a range of some 50 miles. Dozens of Russian ammunition and fuel depots have been destroyed in recent weeks. The Himars have been credited with several such strikes, including the enormous explosion in Novokakhovka in Kherson Oblast this week, Ukrainian officials say. Multiple Russian commanders are reported to have been killed in Himars attacks in the past week, according to the Ukrainians. Ukraine now has 8 Himars, with the US promising another 4 in short order. Haidai said the defenders will need scores more to reclaim the land lost to Russian occupation. 10 Himars are already making a difference, but we need 100 of them, 10 battalions with 10 Himars in each one, to be spread across the whole of the front line, he said. Or at the very least 50 of them. Then it doesn't matter who the Russians bring, the Kadyrov Chechen troops, the Buryats, they are already in panic mode over these long-range precision weapons, which are pounding their positions. There are already reports of mass desertions from different Russian units because this is a real war, it's horrific and no one wants to be sent to their death. And death is pretty much guaranteed when you are facing something as devastating as the Himars, which just rips everything to shreds. That aspect certainly doesn't boost the Russian soldiers' morale. Pro-Russian military telegram channels have been abuzz with talk of the Himars in recent days. Users, including Igor Girkin, a former Russian intelligence official who commanded pro-Russian forces in eastern Ukraine in 2014, have lamented Russia's apparent inability to stop the weapons, despite the presence of advanced anti-aircraft systems. Haidai said the sensitive Russian targets are now near defenseless. All these S-300s and other missile defense systems have been completely powerless in the face of our newly acquired artillery, unable to prevent multiple strikes on ammunition depots and command centers, he said. This is very interesting video, it's showing how the deployment of Himars has decreased Russian missile attacks on Ukrainian positions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.